Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me and thanks for watching me tonight. I'm here back again and I'm going to speak about reasons why I'm a proud Kenyan. Well, as you know guys, from my previous video from my Kenyan tag, I am a Kenyan. I was born in Kenya, specific place from the Rift Valley, and I moved from Kenya and I came to Europe. Those were like 10 years back, 10 years ago. But there's something I want to speak, and this is something really that I feel is part of me. And one thing is, I am a proud Kenyan. It does not matter what or whatever or whoever. I am proud to speak this and I'm proud to say this very loud that I'm a proud Kenyan. Reason being, Kenya identifies my root. Kenya is my place. Kenya is where I belong. And Kenya is where my family is. Like, I might not be living there physically. I might not be there always where my family is always. But I have to tell you people, Kenya is still part of me. Kenya is still in my heart. It's very sad that while in Kenya, especially for the young generation, it's a challenge to get a job. It's a challenge to work there and, you know, to develop or to create a career or to move forward in life. It's very challenging, especially job opportunities are not available as they are here. And I would say that is one reason as to why I chose to be where I am right now. Otherwise, I think I would be back home. So this is one thing that I don't know how I can really express that, but I think it's really unfortunate for the young generation that would really be very helpful in the Kenyan society at large. But what we always have left is just to move out because we do not have jobs. We don't have job opportunities out there. So for whatsoever reason, I moved, but still I identify myself still as a very, very proud Kenyan. And in addition to that, a very, very proud Kikuyu. I'm so proud to speak about my culture, to speak about my grounds, my roots, and everything that builds me up. I think this is amazing. I might be here, but trust me, I cannot feel like a European. I can never feel that. I might be here as many years as I don't know, but it can never make me a European. It does not matter if you have the documents or you do not have the documents. For me, I am a proud Kenyan and I will identify myself ever as a Kenyan. I hope this is not gonna change. I hope this will stay like it is. I'm still Kenyan and I'm so proud about it. I cannot deny my nationality for whatsoever reason. Another thing that makes me a really proud Kenyan is the fact that I think we are so much blessed. I think we Kenyans, we Kenyans born in Kenya. We are just blessed. The country is beautiful. We have the beauty that I don't know if there's anywhere in this world where you can compare the beauty to that of our country. That is something special. I mean, the nature is fantastic. The animals, fantastic. The ocean, the same. The people, oh my goodness. What else could one ask for? I mean, that is, I mean, that makes everything complete. This is another thing that, you know how, okay, let me give you an example. Every time you go somewhere, especially in these European places, they will always ask you, where do you come from? And once you mention you are from Kenya, wow, do you know the smile that one gets? That, wow, Kenya, that's a very beautiful place, a very beautiful country. And like 99.9% of people you meet have been to Kenya. Have been to Kenya, have heard about Kenya, have gone there for holidays, for vacations, for whatever mission work and stuff. Like, wow, this is something that, you just feel like, wow, at least I'm from a place that has a name. And this is one thing that makes me really feel like wow, I'm a proud Kenyan. I don't think I can give up my nationality because of something different or because of another country. I don't think so. I cannot trade that with something else. This is so precious for me. The beauty, the name, wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. Another thing about the fact that I am so proud to be a Kenyan is we Kenyans are very unique. We are unique people. Not only were we born unique, but also we are outstanding people. Wherever we go, we are outstanding and unique. Someone cannot identify us with other people from another different place, another different group. We stand outstanding. With that, I want to give an example of, like, for example, look at our marathon runners. That is outstanding. Like, really, if you go to the field and there's marathon there, what do you think? Who comes out the winner? These are Kenyans. These are all Kenyans. Like, we are unique in our own styles. I know every country is unique in its own style, but we Kenyans, as Kenyans, I as a Kenyan, I'm unique in my own style. And this is something that is amazing. Amazing. And someone will meet you and say, wow, you are from Kenya? Yes. And then she meets, or he meets another one, also from Kenya? Yes. But we are all outstanding in our own different ways, because one will speak another language, the other one will speak another different language, the other one is blessed or talented in marathon, the other one is talented in I don't know what. We are all outstanding in our own way. We are unique in our own ways. Even the way we work in a very dedicated way. We are really hardworking people. It does not matter wherever we are. It does not matter we are in our country, we are abroad. We do it in a very outstanding and dedicating way. And this is something that makes me really proud, and a really proud Kenyan. And another thing that I, or yes, that I also am proud of is the fact that we were born having that beautiful black color. There's nothing as special as color. That color that you have, that is something really special, really special. I always come across people who always, they cannot imagine how dark one is. They cannot, wow, I don't know. They will touch this Kenyan skin, and they will feel like, please give me, let's cut a bit of it and give it to me, because it's amazing, it's magnificent. Our skin is blessed. That sun that we have in Kenya, that sun that we grew up in, it makes us more and more special. My skin color, our skin color is blessed. That is one word. You know, you can go outside there, you can go to beaches, you can go wherever you want to go, and trust me, if anyone will meet you who has a different skin color and see your color, do you know what? They are very jealous about us. They will always think, wow, why on earth don't I have that skin color? And the foolish thing about some of us, you go spoiling that skin with bleaching agents. My friend, do you know how much people die to have this skin tone, that skin texture? Think twice. Bye.